तो बर्तमान मुझे भुवनेश्वर तो भुवनेश्वर किसी छोट मोट क्लिप्स मुझे आपन सहित शेयर करने जाऊँगी। लेट्स गो।
It's been a crazy last year, I'm trying to process still. I don't even know how I should feel. I got a couple big houses and some wish maybe 3. And I got family members that got bigger egos than me. And I got fans around the world whenever I'm overseas. And I got friends who just pretend and say they love everything. And yes, I fell in love again, I thought that shit was impossible. And I promise it's too real for me to care what they think. I promise I don't give a fuck because I know who I am. Hating on me undercover, I just won't understand. Say we're brothers, call me family, but you act like a fan. 2 a.m. in Atlanta, screaming, baby, I'm back. Play me like a fool, I see. But it's been so long since I thought about you. I swear, okay, baby, I'm back. I guess you weren't the one for me. But it's been so long since I
okay. यही बांडनी की जरूरत है।
Man, overseas we relaxing. I ain't think about the past tense. Everybody wanna say shit. All of a sudden y'all believe in me. All of a sudden you want a favor now. All of a sudden you want to be with me. All of a sudden y'all always knew. I remember you ain't see it in me. And yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish I could go back to the way it used to be, just so I feel what I've been missing.
वेट वीडियो रो सेकंड पार्ट भी अच्छी। ठीक अच्छे, एटा फास्ट पार्ट वाला सेकंड पार्ट मुझे बहुत जल्दी देदेमी।